The campus is beautiful. How many people get to go to campus go to college on a former estate? So that's amazing. Portland and Oregon are also amazing places, and everybody at Lewis and Clark is just so dedicated. The students are dedicated as students, the faculty are dedicated, the staff are dedicated. Everybody works to make this a great community.
For me, what made it special was I think it's a fairly small community, so you get to know people and get to be pretty close friends with them at a relatively rapid pace. Now, right after I came to Lewis and Clark, I immediately met up with a bunch of international students, and they were just like a surrogate family. And we still stay in touch on Facebook, on Skype, and we still try to reunite whenever possible. And I think the friendship, the networking opportunities is what makes LC special for me.
The journey I took here changed me forever. And I would say my coursework did that, my overseas trip did that, and the school prepared me for graduate school in a way that was seamless, actually.
Well, I think that it's a full experience. So many schools focus on, we're great at academics, or we're great at a particular area of academics. Lewis and Clark has a well-rounded experience, terrific academics, terrific residential life, terrific opportunities to do other things, college outdoors, student activities, performance, the overseas trips. There's so many more opportunities to broaden yourself. It really is a liberal arts experience in the grandest definition.
My sweet girl, oh, give me the night all of the world.